Creating a HubSpot account is a straightforward process that allows you to access their CRM and other marketing, sales, and service tools. Here's how to do it. Sign up process. Go to the HubSpot website and click on the Get HubSpot Free or Get Started button, depending on the service you want to use. Account setup. Fill in your details in the sign up form. This typically includes your name, email address, company name, and password. Verification. Verify your email address by clicking on the link to send to a registered email account from HubSpot. Account configuration. Once verified, you will be guided through initial setup steps. Choose your role, industry, and company size to tailor the experience. Select features. Select the HubSpot tools you want to use. You can start with the free CRM or opt for additional features like Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, or Service Hub. Customize your dashboard. Customize your dashboard to include widgets and reports relevant to your business needs. Training and support. Access HubSpot's resources for training, including tutorials, webinars, and support documentation to help you get started. Start using HubSpot. Begin adding contacts, companies, and deals to your CRM, and explore the various tools HubSpot offers to streamline your marketing, sales, and service operations.